Hello everyone, today we have toffee or fudge, name it, you can see, caramelized and taste really nice. You can add a drop of sea salt and becomes salted caramel. You can make it filling for BT4, for alfajaros, for many desserts. Not only that, you can make it as a candy and you can give to your kids, all your friends. It's really so cheap and so tasty dessert. Let's start. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I work corporate pastry chef for Money Cruise Line, pastry champion of Africa 2011. All my skill around all the world, I drop in this channel. Let's start. Very easy recipe. 130 gram butter, 130 ml fresh cream, 50 gram milk powder, 150 normal sugar, 100 gram brown sugar. One pan only white sugar, other pan brown sugar, butter and fresh cream, and finally milk powder. So we keep in hot pan or hot plate together. The sugar will be caramelized, butter, muscovado and fresh cream will be melted, and that helps us when we drop the liquid to the caramel. It's reduced time and becomes so easy and they never got lumps. You can see after 2 minutes start caramelized. Then 40 gram of honey. When becomes a dark caramel, I added the liquid. As you see, it doesn't foam like when you make this kind of caramel because already ingredients hot. 110, that's it. And then you remove. When you remove, you added milk powder, 50 gram, and you have fantastic taste, aroma, flavor. You finish it with hand blender, which delete and make it soft, remove any lumps inside, and be very smooth. Don't be lazy, give 2-3 minutes from your time with hand blender to be sure all smooth and nice, clean. As you see, becomes shiny, smooth. Then we drop in one container. Actually, this container becomes very big because I need 1 centimeter high. So this one very big for this quantity. I shake it to drop the bubbles out, but after that I transfer it to another container. I leave it 8 hours in room temperature. After 8 hours, you can see toffee or fudge. So easy. All you need, you can make it as a filling or you can cut. To make it as praline, all you need, you just spread with rolling pin. Then you paint light, tiny chocolate cover on top. Then you can cut and dip in chocolate if you want to make it as praline. But if you make it as a candy, as I do, you can cut square or rectangular, whatever shape you want. And the extra, the leftover, you can make it nice ball. So it's so easy to shape. You can see, you can make it toffee, small or big, even square. So beautiful and tasty. You can add it, as I said, after you blending sea salt, and you have salted caramel. Now if you have cellophane or nice paper, gift paper, you can roll it, or parchment paper. And bon appetit. Thanks for being my channel.